And welcome to the Shatkin F.I.R.S.T Monday Morning Minute.
So everybody, I want to thank you all for being here at our inaugural event. We are working towards opening our own dental school, and as such, we've built a 40-chair preclinical sim lab, and we're going to be utilizing this for education of doctors like you from all over the world, but also ultimately training the next generation of dentists. So I want to thank you all for being here. We've been working on this for a couple of years. We're very, very excited to have all of you here. And I want to say that I know my father is looking down on us right now. My dad and I worked together for 20 years here at the Aesthetic Associate Center with my brother, Sam. And I know he's looking down, beaming with pride, watching this whole thing unfold. And my son, I couldn't be more proud to be working with my son every day. I love Jared so much, and I'm so happy to work with him every single day of my life, chairside, next to each other, helping each other with surgeries and everything else. So I want to thank all of you for being part of this event. And I guess with that, we will cut the ribbon, right, Mark?
Cut the ribbon, my man.
All right.
All right.
All right, so everybody, so we have 40 stations. It's mainly for the dentists, not necessarily for the staff, but if the staff want to stand next to the dentist, that's fine. They can look over their shoulders. But every dentist find a seat, and you should be all set to go, and I'll get up in the class and I'll teach you what we're doing, okay?